Yes, folks, you read the title right. There is a legitimate website that can pay you anywhere between $30, $50, to even $150 just for clicking on ads. And no, you won't have to interact much, pay any fees to join, or make any big purchases to bag this cash. It is easy to do and completely free. But wait, it doesn't end there. Clicking and viewing ads are not the only ways to make money with this. If you watch this video till the end, I'll even guide you on some other golden ways to make money through this website as well. So you better stick through till the end of the video. Okay, John, can you please get over the curiosity and just tell us which website this is? Well, the website is called ATIClicks.net, and it is a combination of PTC or paid to click and GPT or get paid to site where users can earn money for the simple tasks they complete. Although the name might sound fishy, it is an entirely legitimate site that is transparent about its own data, like the total members, offers completed, paid amount, and even provides users with proof of payments. Now, before we get into all the details, let's first talk a little about the site itself. There are numerous GPT sites out there paying users to complete surveys, watch ads, make referrals, play games, and complete other offers. ATIClicks, like any other GPT site, creates a give-and-take mechanism where you're helping the advertiser's product gain popularity and you receive cash as compensation. However, what sets ATIClicks apart is the fact that the platform is so easy to use that even a 10-year-old wouldn't take long to figure it out. All you need to begin making money is to click on banner ads that pop up in front of you, scroll through the site you're redirected to for 30 seconds, and receive your money. Yes, it is that simple. Okay, but how do you sign up? Well, the sign-up process is fairly simple as well. All you need to do is visit ATIClicks.net and click on the big red register button on top. Here you'll fill in the spaces with basic information like your full name, username, email address, password, and date of birth. It'll also ask you to verify whether you're a robot or not, because the site wants to ensure you are indeed a real person that will be clicking and watching ads. Lastly, take a quick peek at the terms and conditions if you like, click the box, and you'll be good to go. Now, once the registration is complete, you can visit the leaderboard where the top earning individuals will be displayed. As of now, the user at first position has made close to a whopping $1,500 with ATIClicks. Pretty crazy, isn't it? Underneath the leaders, a real-time earning report is also displayed, revealing the user's country, payment method, and even the amount earned that day. Now, talking about the ads themselves, there are a variety of ads available for you to view and make money with. These could be in the form of emails, banner ads on the website itself, or an app that you can download on your mobile device. Once you click on an ad, it'll redirect you to a random site where you'll need to scroll for 30 seconds, and boom! The money is then credited to your account. There's no need to click additional buttons, sign up for offers, or even make a purchase in order to make money with this site. But that does not mean that you can simply click on an ad, scroll through Instagram, text some friends, and come back to click on the next one. Doing so will not make you any money, since ATIClicks will think of you as a robot, and they have sophisticated software that can weed out the humans from the bots. So, just to be safe, at least scroll up and down to make your presence known. However, as I told you in the beginning, clicking ads is not the only way to make money with ATIClicks. So, you might be wondering, what other ways are there to multiply my income? And the answer to this isn't one. In fact, there is even a variation in the type of ads you can watch on ATIClicks. There are daily ads that last 7 seconds and can make you roughly 0.0005 cents per click. Standard ads that last 30 seconds each and can make you 0.003 cents per click. And lastly, micro ads. And that, as the name suggests, lasts only 5 seconds and can make you 0.0002 cents per click. Now yes, the payout rewards might sound awfully meager, but your earning opportunities don't end here yet. By clicking on Earn Money and the Lootably Daily Offers, you can get access to their diverse range of offers to complete and earn up to 40 cents for each one. There's even a survey dashboard available that can pay you anywhere between 5 to 50 cents for each one that you complete. But wait, it still does not end there. This is where the surprise technique comes in. If you don't already know, most of the users on the ranked leaderboard make money through referral commissions and by bringing in other users to ATIClicks. So now you might be thinking, that's okay, I'll just refer the site to a few of my friends and get them to sign up so I can enjoy my referral commissions, right? But wait, what if I told you that there's a technique that can allow you to multiply referral commissions earnings by 10 times? Don't worry, you won't have to make 10 more friends in order to do this. The secret is quite short and simple. Forums. Forums get a lot of organic traffic and tons of people use them as a source of guidance for online money making. These are the people you'll be targeting with this technique. Simply sign up for an online forum such as Quora, Reddit, or Dime Forum and search for the subject of money making online. You'll find a lot of people posting their queries and asking for online money making guidance. Now all you have to do is just respond to a couple of them with your referral link to ATIClicks. Not only will they appreciate your help, but you will also make money through the referral, essentially putting both parties in a win-win situation. They'll get to know a fantastic money-making site, and you can enjoy cash compensation in return for the good deed. Nonetheless, the best part about ATIClicks has to be the fact that it allows you to make money on the go using your mobile phone. So whether you're on a lunch break, waiting for the bus, traveling long distances, or even talking to someone you don't like, you can simply just open up your phone, go over to ATIClicks, and make some quick bucks meanwhile. No fancy programs, equipment, or investment is needed. Pretty sweet, right? Also, be sure to check out ATIClicks in the description below. Well, now that it's time to sign off, I've got a golden suggestion for the ones who watched until the end. As we discussed in today's video, making money online is quite an easy process. All you need to do for it is a technique that works consistently and nothing more. But how will you know which technique works and is legitimate or not? Well, I'd suggest that you leave that part for me to figure out. All you need to do is scroll down, smash the big red subscribe button, and tune in for more money-making content. Anyways, that is all for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one soon.